private sector, because we are all partners in progress.
It's the 138th board meeting of the Joint Tax Board, a national body that regulates tax administration in the country, with membership drawn from all tax agencies at the federal and state levels.
Thank you.
At this board meeting in Abuja, the deliberation focuses on the recently launched Voluntary Asset and Income Declaration Scheme, VADE, which grants amnesty to taxable Nigerians from July 2017 to March 2018, after which they'll face prosecution by the courts. Mr. Fowler stresses that no Nigerian, irrespective of their economic status, will be spared if they fail to comply with the directive.
Speaking on behalf of FIRS and speaking on behalf of the Joint Tax Board, which involves the State Internal Revenue Services, and taking a leaf from the presentation of the acting president, there are no untouchables. Everybody will be held accountable and there will be no extension.
There are suggestions on how to domesticate the Voluntary Asset Declaration Scheme at the state and local government levels. And one way to achieve this, according to experts, is through adequate sensitization.
We actually have to sensitize the public. They have to actually understand the concept, and then the implementation strategies are what we are also discussing, so that the public will understand what actually the scheme is all about.
In line with the provisions of the JTB Act, to harmonize and ensure that there's uniformity in the application of the executive order that the acting president has signed. And just like we did under the tax identification number scheme, the form will be streamlined in such a manner that it is very easy to understand and is universal.
The federal government has for some time now been working on how to improve its revenue base, especially via taxation. But analysts will be watching closely to see if this unprecedented scheme proves successful.